Today's Sunday, June 1st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado valve-in receiver unit. This is a full restoration for my friend Michael in Ashland. Okay, this unit has been completely disassembled as shown in the predecessor video, whereby all 6 seals and the O-rings have been changed. The unit has been functionally validated under compression and holds the sealant and evacuates properly. So this will be shipping to my friend Michael as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. I've taken a lot of care in order to preserve the original dichromate, cadmium dichromate patina of the unit. So if you're an originalist and you're running the air conditioning components and trying to get everything to work, the valve-in receiver is a very critical component. In order to evacuate the system properly, it has to be serviced. I don't care how long you run vacuum in the cooling circuit, you're not going to effectuate the evacuation of the moisture unless the valve-in receiver is fully restored, as is in this case. So this will be shipping out to my friend Michael. I've taken great care to preserve the original patina. If you're an originalist, you'll want the original valve-in receiver as opposed to the upgradable unit that I also manufacture and advance to people, which is superior. Okay, and provides better coolant and supports all of the refrigerants, both the legacy and the modern refrigerant, as well as the mineral oil and peg oil and combination oils. So the original valve-in receivers are very persnickety and want the original system configuration, so they're not as liberal as the modern updated units that I provide. But if you're an originalist, you want the original valve-in receiver, and if you're an originalist, you also want the original patina, even though it may not be in perfect condition to show the original 50-year-old age of the car. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976. All the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, June 1st. Thank you very kindly.